Hi, I'm Natalie from Buildings IoT, and today I'm going to talk with you about how you can use onPoint to improve maintenance work order management. If you find this informative and want to see more tips and tricks, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, post any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Let's get started. Facility management is rapidly evolving to address the complex needs of today's buildings and occupants. Facility managers are faced with a laundry list of responsibilities ranging from traditional maintenance to enhanced workplace operations. And because occupants are demanding an elevated experience from their built environment, operations teams are looking for ways to balance the demands for soft facility management services with critical facility management tasks. Fortunately, onPoint now helps to simplify maintenance tasks through a maintenance management system connector. First, you're probably asking, what is onPoint? Well, to put it simply, onPoint is a comprehensive building management system that enables you to gain a holistic view of your building systems, equipment, sensors, and physical environment. Beyond visualizing the built environment, onPoint gives you a deep understanding of the performance of your building assets. It does this with advanced fault detection and diagnostics that we call insights. What are insights? Insights are data-driven findings on your building assets' performance. They leverage data from different systems, equipment, sensors, and environmental factors to identify failures and inefficiencies that would probably otherwise go undetected until, of course, they impact critical operations. But insights are much more than fault detection. They're also advanced diagnostics. They provide root cause analysis and sensible suggestions for issue resolution. In other words, insights don't just identify the issues in your building, they tell you how to solve them. The rest of the onPoint system provides ways to track and in some cases even resolve those issues straight from the system itself. What does all this have to do with improving maintenance work order management? Well, the onPoint CMMS connector helps you to improve the work order process by supplementing work orders with those advanced data-driven insights directly from onPoint. See, onPoint's ability to detect issues and inefficiencies helps you uncover those issues and also monitor the success of work order resolution. This can help you drive better compliance with service level agreements, enhance occupant comfort, and ultimately improve occupant satisfaction. So let's dive in and see how. When you log into onPoint, you land on the overview dashboard showing high-level information of all the buildings in your portfolio. From here, you'll gain an integrated view of equipment performance and work order data from the connected CMMS platform. This data will help you easily monitor open work orders, track completion steps, and quickly address inefficiencies without having to navigate between platforms. And that data can be acted on. For example, you can use the Insights tab to dive into issues affecting your efforts to reduce energy or evaluate high priority issues that are likely impacting the operational lifespan of your equipment. When you find an insight you want your teams to work on, you can turn it into a work request in 2 clicks. The Maintenance Management System connector enables you to quickly and easily communicate straight through to the connected maintenance management system. That way, you can empower field technicians or vendors with all the context and data of onPoint's insights. onPoint even makes it possible to prioritize and automate work order creation to address critical performance issues without overwhelming your maintenance team. For instance, you can choose to automatically create and send work orders to your maintenance management system only when, say, vibration sensors detect a potential failure. That way, you can be confident that work orders are created for critical issues while also ensuring that maintenance tasks are manageable. And speaking of managing maintenance tasks, The My Open Work Request widget makes it easy for users to see their own open work orders and gain valuable information from those connected insights. onPoint's Work Requests tab allows you to view work order activities from your connected maintenance management system, so you can easily see what steps your field technicians are taking and how and when they have resolved the issue. All of this without having to navigate back and forth between platforms. onPoint streamlines the fault detection, diagnostic, and resolution process of maintenance tasks. It provides a single integrated platform for virtually all of your facility maintenance needs, so you can spend less time on critical maintenance tasks. This frees up your facility management team to focus on high-value facility maintenance services that really elevate your competitive advantage. This is just one of the exciting features of onPoint. If you're curious to learn more about how onPoint can help you reach your facility management goals, click on the link in the description below to schedule a call with one of our smart building experts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.